As promised, today I'm going to share with you a free to use bot. I want to show you what this bot is capable of and how I'm able to use it to find some pretty decent deals on meta Axies. Let's get right into the video. All right, so it offers you the cheapest Axies with the particular instructions that you gave the bot. Speed is 55. I'm not sure why it didn't make a speed of 57, because that's what we're interested in. I believe there can't be a space between SP and the 57, so let's try it again. Okay, we'll try SP57 together. Make sure you spell everything correctly. There we go, minimum speed set to 57. This one looked like it worked. So let me know in the comments below what you think of the Axie Finder bot, and if you're able to get any great deals, go ahead and post in the comments below. I would love to hear about it. Please like the video if you liked it, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next week. Take care.